It's Brigitte, the director of Second Chances Wildlife Center, and the primary, along with Michelle, who you'll meet in a minute, the primary person that releases most of our animals. We have released 6 raccoons a couple of weeks ago. We had to wait to get more crates, and we couldn't fit all of them in the car at once. So today it's finally the day for these 3 to go. It's a little sweaty. The reason why we are going to this particular location is because the homeowners will feed the raccoons basically until they don't come around anymore. It's a good little transition halfway to nature. And the other thing is, I don't know if you can see the surroundings, but we are not in a very residential area. There's not much around except nature. And there's a water source, there's an open field area, there's lots of trees. So they will have everything that they need to have the best chance at surviving in the wild. Today's the day. The moment is now. We've had these little guys since they were teeny tiny. They still had their umbilical cords on, and this is it for them. So they've managed to have a great and healthy few months with us. This is what it's all about right here. All of our time and efforts and finances so these guys can live freely.